Divine Artistry. Yet of myself I will not glory, but in mine infirmities. 2 Corinthians chapter 12 verse 5. Dr. Edward Judson, in speaking of the life of his father, Adoniram Judson, at the dedication of the Judson Memorial Church in New York City, said, "Suffering and success go together. If you are succeeding without suffering, it is because others before you have suffered. If you are suffering without succeeding, it is that others after you may succeed. Happy are they that mourn. They can be happy because they know that their pain, their distress, and their privation are the travail of a new creation, the birth pangs of a better world. They can be happy if they are aware that the master artist, God, is employing both light and shadow to produce a masterpiece worthy of divine artistry. They can also glory in their infirmities, smile through their tears, and sing in the midst of their sorrow, because they realize that in God's economy, if we suffer, we shall also reign with Him." Prayer for the day. In suffering I will learn to praise you, loving Savior.